Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 8C, Driveway Reconstruction. This video illustrates A. Insert driveway reconstruction templates, B. Determine reconstruction distance, and C. Draw driveway repair work. Driveway templates are used to determine the minimum length of driveway reconstruction work to prevent vehicle drag. After using the template to determine the minimum length, the driveways are then examined in the field to determine adjustments in the reconstruction that may be required due to existing construction joints, cracks, or deteriorated concrete. No changes in default settings. All drafting work will be performed using standard AutoCAD procedures. No Civil 3D objects are created. Insert the driveway reconstruction templates. I enter to start insert command. Browse to location. In John Doe ABC Road drawing reference, select drive reconstruction template, open. Insert point, specify on screen, leave check. Scale, do not specify on screen. X is 1.00 uniform scale. Rotation, 0 degrees. Explode, place check mark, OK. Pick location to the left of the driveway profiles. Escape to stop command. The driveway templates contain 4 profile templates and 4 plan templates. The profile template contains 2 templates for the left side of the road, 2 templates for the right side, 2 templates for the upslope driveways, and 2 templates for the downslope. The plan templates contain a driveway in each cardinal direction, up, down, left, and right. The profile templates are drawn at a vertical exaggeration scale of 5:1 and are based on the following criteria: grade break at crest 12%, grade breaks at sags 13%, sidewalk width 5 feet, distance from back of curb to back of sidewalk 11 feet, parkway slope toward curb 2%. The templates are inserted into the profile grid sheet without modification. Each driveway plan template contains a flared dustpan-shaped approach section between the curb and sidewalk and a driveway section beyond the sidewalk. The driveway approach and sidewalk sections are a closed polyline, and the driveway sections beyond the sidewalk are also a separate closed polyline. The driveway plan templates are based on the following criteria: width of driveway 10 feet, length of driveway from back of curb to back of sidewalk 11 feet, width of sidewalk 5 feet, width of flare on each side of driveway 3 feet, total width of driveway at curb is 16 feet, the length of driveway repair work behind the sidewalk is 9 feet, total length from back of curb to end of reconstruction work is 20 feet. Prior to inserting a template, a copy of the template is made. The width of the template is stretched to conform to the width of the existing driveway, and the length of the driveway section of the template is stretched to conform to the length of the driveway reconstruction improvements. AutoCAD Align command, AL, is used to insert and align the driveway template to the curb. Copy the upslope profile template for left side driveway and insert onto the grid sheet. CO enter to start copy command. Select the driveway, distance label, and reference distance line behind the curb, which are block objects. Enter. Base point, pick the top back of curb on the template. Insert point, pick the top back of curb for an upslope left side driveway. Repeat for additional upslope driveways. Depress escape key when finished. Repeat for the downslope and for the right side driveways. The minimum length of reconstruction work for each driveway profile is at the intersection of the top of the template drive surface with the existing ground, with a minimum distance of 2 feet behind the sidewalk. If possible, within a reasonable distance, eliminate sags to prevent ponding. Stretch the vertical end line of the drive template and label to the desired intersection point. Since the driveway profile grid and reference line are block objects, objects. They will not be included in the stretch. S, enter to start the stretch command. Select the label and the driveway end line. Enter. Select the top of the back of the driveway. Select the intersection with the ground line. Enter. Escape to stop the command. Adjust the value of the label to correspond to the reference distance line from back of curb to the nearest foot. Pick the label. Use the reference line is 16 feet. Change the contents to 16 feet. And enter and escape. Check the grade brake at the intersection point to ensure that it does not exceed the maximum allowed 17% at sags and 12% at crest. Repeat for other driveway profiles. Each driveway should be examined in the field to determine if additional reconstruction length is required relative to existing joints, cracks, or deteriorated concrete. After field examination, adjust driveway profiles accordingly. L, enter to start line command. With snap on, pick node at desired distance from back of curb on reference line. With ortho on, extend line vertically beyond the existing ground profile. Escape to stop the command. S, enter to start the stretch command. Select the distance label and the end line of the driveway profile. Enter. For the base point, pick the top end point of the driveway. For the insertion point, pick the intersection of the vertical distance line with existing ground profile. Double click the label. Change to correct distance, 25 feet. Enter. Escape. E, enter to start the erase command. Erase the vertical line, the reference distance line block, and the reference distance label. Enter. Escape to stop the erase command. Repeat for all driveways. For this video, the driveway profiles are shown in the top viewport and the road plan view in the bottom viewport. All driveway profiles have been adjusted to reflect the length of the reconstruction work behind curb. The UCS coordinate system has been aligned with the Kincaid curb alignment. A driveway plan template has been copied to the vicinity of the right side driveway at station 22+11. AL, enter. To start the align command, use Windows to select all lines in the driveway template. Enter. First point, pick the intersection of the back of the curb with the left edge of the driveway. Second point, pick the corresponding point in the plan view. Second point, pick the end of the back of the curb in the template. Third point, pick the corresponding point. Depress enter twice. The driveway template is superimposed and aligned with the original driveway. Stretch the template to adjust the limits for the correct length and width of the driveway reconstruction work. Freeze layer EX storm flow line to prevent distortion of the polyline when stretching the driveway template. Close panorama. All other objects are either along lines or referenced objects which are not affected by the stretch command. S, enter to start the stretch command. Use window crossing to select the back end of the driveway. Enter. Pick a point in a clear area. With ortho on, move cursor in direction of stretch. The back of driveway in the plan template is at a distance of 20 feet from back of curb. The total length of driveway improvement behind back of curb is shown in profile to be 50 feet. Stretch the driveway for an additional length of 30 feet. 30, enter. Pick the back portion of the driveway. Pick the grip at the corner. Move perpendicular to the original edge of driveway. Escape to clear all commands. S to restart the stretch command. Select the right portion of the driveway. Enter. Pick a point in the vicinity of the driveway. Move at right angles towards the direction of the stretch until the edge of template coincides with the edge of the original driveway. And pick. Modify the driveway as needed to conform to the original layout configuration. PE, enter to start the polyline edit command. Pick the back portion of the polyline. Edit vortex. Select next or previous. As needed to advance to the start of the driveway modification, press Insert. With Snap-on, pick an angle point in the original driveway layout. Insert, pick an angle point. 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 When finished, depress Exit and Escape. The driveway now conforms to its original configuration. Repeat the previous procedures for all driveways. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.